Hello guys, so your brand new custom cash app card finally arrived at the mail and you're ready to start using it for some store discounts and everyday spending. But before you can swipe it at a checkout counter, you have to officially get it turned on. So I'm going to walk you through the super simple activation steps for this to work. So the absolute fastest way to do this is packing slip, using the packing slip that came inside your envelope. So grab your phone, fire up Cash App, and look up at the bottom navigation bar. Tap on the card tab, which is the icon that looks like a little rectangular debit card. After that, guys, right below the digital preview of your card, you'll see a button, Activate Cash Card. After that, go ahead and tap that. The app will ask for a permission to use your phone's camera. Just hit OK. Now, just hold your phone directly over the printed QR code on the paper your card was attached to. It scans instantly and boom, your physical card is live. And also the crucial final step that catches a lot of people off guard. The very first time you use your newly activated card, the machine will demand a 4-digit PIN. So this is not a random number sent by Cash App. It actually is the same secure PIN you already set up to lock and unlock your mobile app. So if you ever want to change that to something different, you can just go to Manage Card in your dashboard and change card PIN, and then you just update it instantly. That is it. Enjoy guys. If this helped, subscribe.